So Linda, you're another brand ambassador to Bespoke, aren't you?
I am.
And I believe this like set, this whole media wall set we've got on display here is your one at home.
It's based on that, yeah.
Okay, so
Mine's
tell
in
us about
white.
it.
I saw so many gorgeous ones, and then we just decided that we'll go over to the showroom.
Yeah.
And then we wanted to see it in the flesh,
Yes.
and we bought it, and it's just been a game changer for us.
Has
literally.
it? Do you think it's totally transformed the look and feel to your room?
We had ours for 23 years, our gas fire,
Okay.
and a marble suite, and it's just incredible.
It's kind of from the Stone Age, them old gas
It-
fires now,
it
aren't
is,
they?
I know.
Yeah.
They asked me to come down, and I'm truly honoured because it's a copy, even though ours is in white.
Yeah. Well, what a
I've got
compliment,
the-
though.
I know.
So did you design the look of it, what you wanted at your house?
Yeah. I did,
Brilliant,
I
yeah.
did. Ours is just, we've got
The panoramic like that,
The
haven't you?
panoramic
Yeah, three-sided,
2000.
2000.
just over 5 metres long.
Yeah.
And we've got the 3 shelves and
Oh, brilliant. Yeah. And how do you think Bespoke Fires as a company stand out above anybody else? Because I know you shopped around first, didn't you?
We did. We did, and the thing is, the guarantee, the service, the guarantee is just unrivaled.
Yes, yeah, 5 years guarantee, isn't it,
yeah.
on the products, yeah.
And you can upgrade if you want to the
Yeah.
logs. This one comes at the moment
Yeah.
with the logs, but they're just everything that we looked at.
Yeah.
I kept going back to this.
Did yeah, nice, yeah.
And
Same as
now-
Laura and I, me and my wife, when we were building our own house, we were shopping around looking for a flame effect fire. And I've been to a couple of shows, I'd seen some, and they weren't jumping out at me, they just weren't quite
know,
right.
I know.
The moment I walked in their showroom, and this is like nearly 4 years ago now,
Yeah,
you know,
I
and Steve got in touch with us, invited us back down, and we discussed which one had fit the best, you know, in our house sort of thing, and we went for it, just couldn't resist it.
I know. What I like about it is you can have the glass just showing on the front.
Yes.
Or one side, or
Yeah,
3 sides.
that's right, yeah, you can have one,
So-
2 or 3
I
on
know,
it if you want
and
to, yeah.
We've got it like this, so we
Yeah.
love it.
And what do you think of some of the displays around here? Because there's probably about 14 and 15
I'm
here
trying
today.
to talk my husband round some of the marble ones to go in the snug.
So you're addicted now, aren't you?
I like them in the bedroom.
Brilliant. And do you find it good here at a show, getting to meet and greet the public?
I think it's lovely, and I've been showing people our pictures of ours,
Yeah.
and I think they then realise that, you know, it's not all push.
Yes,
it's
yeah.
seeing the thing in the flesh as well.
That's right, yeah. And
seeing
no, we all
somebody
have
that-
them at home, you know,
Yeah.
and proud of them. Brilliant. So how can we find you on social media?
Linda.myhomestyle.
My home style.
16.
16.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Okay, look out for that, ladies and gents. Linda, it's a pleasure.
Oh,
Lovely
pleasure,
meeting you,
and
and
you.
thanks for coming along on the
No,
stand.
thank you.